how to fix Monopoly Go Invite Friends not working. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can fix Monopoly Go Invite Friends if it is not working. There might be some reason that your Monopoly Go account is not working. Here, we will look at some steps to help you fix the problem. The first thing you need to do is close the application fully and then try to reopen it. Also, you can go to Play Store and check if there is any update available. Also, do make sure that your internet connection is secured. If it still does not work, try to uninstall the application and try reinstalling it again from the Play Store. If it still does not work, go to your settings and go to App Management or type in App Manage or Management. Then scroll down and look for Monopoly Go, or just you can type in Monopoly Go in the search bar. Click on Monopoly Go application. Then click on Storage. And then all you need to do is click on Clear Data button present at the very bottom of the screen. Then this message will pop up. Click on Clear Cache. Then press OK. Then go back to your Monopoly Go account and try the invite link and start playing with your friends again. So that's all for the video today guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll be back with the new video very soon.